Jai Hind everyone, I am Kiratanya Swami, and today we are going to be covering the topic GPS, that is Global Positioning System, and we are going to talk about it in thoda detail, and let's see. Okay, so we have the Global Positioning System. GPS is a radio navigation system. तो किस प्रिंसिपल पे काम करता है? It works on the principle of radio navigation that allows land, sea and airborne users to determine their exact location. तो हमने अपने phones में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया हुआ है the exact location, the velocity, even we can tell, and even the time 24 hours a day in all weather conditions we can tell क्या हमारी positioning है, चाहे हम land पे हो, sea पे हो, airborne हो. अब ये काम कैसे करता है? GPS is made up of satellites, ground stations and receivers. So अगर हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं, अगर ये हमारा Earth है, so we have यहाँ पे हमारे satellites. Okay, so we have our satellites that are working here. Okay, we have here a satellite. Now and we have यहाँ पे ground stations जहाँ पे they receive, तो यहाँ से हमारे पास information transport होती है. Okay, the next thing that we talk about is we talk about the receivers figure out how far away they are from some of them. Once the receiver calculates, अब receiver क्या करता है? Receiver देखता है कि जहाँ से हमें signal आ रहा है, how far away we are from them. Once the receiver calculates its distance from the 4 or more satellites, the GPS. Now once the receiver calculates its distance from 4 or more satellites, we are able to move on further. The GPS is a network of 31 satellites. So how many satellites हमारे अंदर आती हैं? We have 31 satellites orbiting the Earth at the altitude of 20,000 kilometers. These signals traveling at the speed of light are intercepted by your GPS receivers, which calculate how far away each satellite is based on how long it took for the message to arrive. तो ये बताते हैं कि इतना टाइम लगा इस मैसेज को आप तक पहुंचने के लिए, so that means कि ये जगह आपसे इतनी दूर है. That is what it works on and the principle of it. Next we are moving on to GPS used in India. Okay, so we have GPS used in India. We will talk about NAVIC. NAVIC और basically इसका full form क्या है? We have the full form is Indian Regional Navigation. NAVIC is another, that is आपका navigation. इसका full form है navigation with Indian constellation. Whose English? This is इसके navigation with Indian constellation with English meaning is sailor or navigator. Is designed to provide accurate position. तो आपको accurate position provide करता है to use within the country. That is why NAVIC is used. Or we can also use Indian Regional Navigation System, satellite system, that is IRNSS, will work through a constellation of 7 satellites. So basically NAVIC navigation with Indian constellations, or we can have IRNSS, that is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. So here these are the GPS systems that are used in India. Now we're going to talk about, let's take a look at कि कैसे काम करता है. So this is the working. ठीक है, now let's take a look at this. We have कि यहाँ से first of all हमने देखा कि हमने यहाँ से पहले एक अपना सिग्नल भेजा कि हमें यहाँ पे जाना है. So what happens is यहाँ से ये देखता है कि अच्छा ये रिसीवर इतना दूर है इस पर्टिकुलर जगह से, क्योंकि वो यहाँ से सेंस कर पाते हैं कि अच्छा it gets signal back कि this is where I am, which is basically the position that you're supposed to go to, and then जो satellite है that sends it back to you कि this is how far it is from you, and that is how you get कि this is the route that you are supposed to follow. So what is the route that you are supposed to follow? You get through this system. Now this is a bi-directional signal यहाँ पे towards the receiver यहाँ पे, क्योंकि यहाँ से आप पहले भेजते हो कि मेरे को इस जगह पर जाना है, वो कहता है कि I am this far away, ठीक है, in layman terms, and this is the control segment over here, and this is the user segment and the satellite segment. So it is made up of how many segments? It consists of three components. You can say it is a 3-component system. Okay, and the 3-component system में what are the 3 components? We have the user segment number 1, we have number 2 the satellite segment, and we have number 3 the control segment. And that is all about GPS and the working of GPS. I hope you were able to understand this. That's all for today. And if you have any queries, any questions, you can let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you and Jai Hind.